Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect Royal Mail to Shopify. Whether you're new to Shopify or simply looking to optimize your shipping process, integrating Royal Mail with your online store can make a big difference in streamlining your operations and enhancing customer satisfaction. So let's dive right in and walk through this process step by step. Before we begin, it's important to understand why integrating a carrier like Royal Mail is extremely valuable for your business. With the right setup, you can print labels directly from Shopify, track orders in real time, offer accurate delivery estimates to your customers, and reduce manual work by automating your shipment workflow. This not only saves time, but also creates a smooth, professional post-purchase experience, one of the biggest factors in customer retention. First things first, you'll want to ensure you're logged into your Shopify account. Once you've done that and you're on your main Shopify dashboard, direct your attention to the left panel. Here you'll find a section labeled Apps. Go ahead and click on it. This will take you to Shopify's App Management area, where you can add or remove applications that integrate with your store. Now that you're in the app section, it's time to search for Royal Mail. Use the search bar provided here and type in Royal Mail. As you type, you'll see a list of search results start to form. In this list, locate the official app for Royal Mail. It should be clearly marked, so click on it. This will take you to the app's dedicated page, where you can learn more about its features and benefits before moving on to the installation. A quick note here, many shipping apps may appear similar, but always make sure you're choosing the correct provider. Using the official Royal Mail app ensures proper authentication, updated shipping rates, and secure access to your Royal Mail business account. Once you're on the Royal Mail app page, your next step is to find and click the Install button. This is where the magic begins. By clicking Install, you're initiating the process of connecting Royal Mail to your Shopify store. Keep in mind that clicking on Install may present you with some prompts or additional setup steps. These are typically straightforward and designed to tailor the app to your specific business needs. Just follow the instructions provided, which may include authorizing the app to access certain parts of your store, configuring shipping settings, or selecting preferred delivery options. As you navigate through these setup steps, remember to take your time. There's no rush, and ensuring everything is configured correctly will save you time and potential confusion later on. Before you finish setting everything up, here's a pro tip. Make sure your Royal Mail business account is fully verified and active. Some features like click and drop, commercial rates, and bulk label printing will only work if your Royal Mail account is correctly set up on their end. Double-check your account status to avoid disruptions. Once the setup is complete, congratulations, you've successfully integrated Royal Mail with your Shopify store. This connection will allow you to manage and streamline your shipping processes more efficiently, ensuring that your customers have a seamless delivery experience. And that's all there is to it. Connecting Royal Mail to Shopify is a simple and effective way to enhance your e-commerce business. By following these steps, you're well on your way to providing better shipping services. If you found this walkthrough helpful, don't forget to check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks to optimize your e-commerce operations. Thanks for watching, and happy selling.